What's up, guys? Good morning. Um, Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Nomadic Trader. Um, Drop a like, drop a subscribe for that YouTube algorithm. But we're here again, just trading NASDAQ futures. We had quite a big sell off overnight that kind of started yesterday, but quite a nice sell off here from about 95 to from 795 to, wow, a little over 200 points. 200 point sell off here in the Nasdaq. So that's quite impressive. Um, in terms of areas that we're looking for today, kind of just looking to see if we continue this move downwards. We're down already 1.47%. Market is open, of course. We're about down 1.3% on ES. So today should be an interesting day in terms of moves. But let's go back here to the 528 tick chart and see what we can find. See how it's kind of falling and just hugging the -2 standard deviation. Um, that is interesting. Not really much strength here. Quite a bit of sellers here. I guess buyers are looking good here. Again, buyers are starting to look good again. Um, so we'll wait until pullback. Here maybe down to maybe like 60 here. Or you're going to pull back down here to the 40s. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. It's the first minute, so I'm not getting in. I'm not getting in anything right now. So right now is just waiting time, waiting to see what is going to happen. ES and NAS kind of look correlated, kind of, sort of. ES right now is trying to get bought up a little bit. NAS is kind of going down. A lot of sellers coming in right now for these first 5 minutes. We're still in the second minute of the day, so nothing much to do right now. But we will continue to wait and see what she gives us. But I'm definitely not going to get in around here. And there's a lot of volume being printed here. I don't really want to get in here at the highs of even the short-term highs here. Don't want to get in here. So we will see what she wants to do. Delta made a newer lower low, so that's definitely a sign of weakness to me. Even though price is now trying to push up, Delta did make a lower low here. If we look at this price low and this price low, Delta made a newer low, which is not comforting at all. So even though price is kind of pushing up a little here, Delta did make a new low, so that's I do not like that. I think our next low will be here at 42. Sorry, 45, around 44, 45. So we can keep this structure here. But again, we're just going to wait and see. Price is starting to move up. Kind of together with ES. So today NAS and ES may actually be correlated a little more than usual. But again, we are kind of just waiting and seeing. Watching Delta, making sure that there are good price structures and Delta structures being formed. About 30 seconds till the scale closes. First 30 seconds. first 5 minutes, closes in 30 seconds. Again, we're just waiting and seeing. Arms are crossed, kind of going back down, kind of closing as a slightly indecisive candle here on the 5 minute. 5 minute NAS price didn't come back down. Buyers really popped in here. Interesting. Interesting, very interesting. Nah, even though buyers came in here, that was a little weird. Buyers are coming in. You know what? I'll hop in.
Order filled.
What happened? Oh, okay. I guess we're out here. Out here for profit of 231. Cool. It's a good way to start the day. Let's keep watching and waiting to see what else we find here. And yeah, actually just got wicked up into that exit, which is always cool. I would definitely take that wick up. What a great wick up. I literally looked away for a second and my order was filled, so that is really cool. Definitely do enjoy days like this. But again, let's not get too greedy here. Let's really be cautious with how we approach and attack this. If we get back down here to 600 with delta maintaining, maybe a good area to hop in here. But again, let's see. Ideally, we get down here to the positive. Oh, but delta really is looking really tasty. Delta's really looking good here. 2 minutes until this candle closes. Kind of consolidating here, so consolidation leads to expansion. Based on delta, we may be expanding to the upside. So let me get a little pullback here, and then I will be looking to hop in. Let me get a nice pullback here, and then I'll be looking to get in, because delta actually looks good here. And again, consolidation leads to expansion, right? So let's just be ready here.
Order filled.
Buying again here.
Order filled.
Order filled again. Nice. So that was a good buy, good entry. Got filled out quite quick here. Actually, I didn't even have time to move my target up. So that's another winning trade there. Longest trade time is 19 seconds, so that's very cool. 372 on the day so far, thank God. So we're going to keep moving, rocking and rolling here. ES is kind of having a little bit of a sell-off here. Nothing too crazy. Sellers not really stepping in too crazy here, but we do have to kind of be cautious of that. About 1 minute and 12 seconds till this candle closes. I'm not sure if I want to get into this range again. Really quite a tight range here. But delta is just looking really strong here. So if we can get another pullback, maybe down here to 70s, I would be interested in hopping in here. 80 possibly. Definitely be interested in hopping in here. Yeah, if we can get a little pullback down here to -1 standard deviation, I would definitely hop in here at 80. With delta maintaining, of course, I would definitely hop in there. But let's see what we get. Delta's continuing to look very strong here. Don't want to hop in again. I missed my entry, and that's okay. Went off without me. 10 seconds till the candle closes. Let's just wait. Just wait. Delta's looking very strong here. Very, very strong. I do like this on Delta. But again, I did miss my entry, and it's gone off without us. So it is what it is, and we'll just keep waiting till we get a little pullback here. But yeah, like I said, consolidation does lead to expansion. We're consolidating here for quite a bit, and now we're trying to expand. It looks like to the upside here. Again, there's no need to panic buy. There's no need to freak out. So far, our winning trades have been pretty quick. 372 up on the day, so I'm happy with that. Buyers continue to come in quite strong here. Buyers are looking really, really strong here. As we approach VWAP at 46, sorry, right about 50. As we approach VWAP at 50. So again, let's just wait and see. 29 lot. See if we can at least get down here to 600 again, man. Like, let me get into 600. We're about 35 points off of 600, which is, that doesn't even look like that much, but yeah, today's a big volatility day. Today's very, very volatile. So it's a great day to make some money in the markets. We're kind of starting to head back down here. Didn't have enough strength to break, even reach VWAP, but we are starting to head back down here. I'm glad I did not hop into a trade there. Let's see how low we go before we start. Check 13. What happens at 13? I am possibly looking for an entry here at 600. So I'm not sure if we're going to get that or not. Yes is looking a little heavy on price, not really on Delta. I don't want to exit out of this, move away from the screen, because my entry may be coming up here pretty soon. So I don't want to definitely miss it. Still looking good on Delta, on NAS. Yes, sellers trying to step in. Nothing too crazy, too crazy as of right now. Maybe curling up here now. Let's actually try and take this trade right here. And of course, it's going to go against us, but it's all right. We're in at 20 and a quarter. Buyers trying to step in again here. See if we can go back up. Possibly even test VWAP here. First test is the best test, right? So let's try and test VWAP. May actually continue to go against us here, but buyers are trying to step in. So let me actually be a bit more conservative here and just go to volume. But we are kind of heading down, a bit further down here. Yes, it's looking heavy. Delta maintained here when price came down. Delta's looking a little weak, so we're definitely going to endure some pain right now. And we'll see. Yeah, definitely going to endure some pain right now. Delta's looking good. Delta's looking all right. ES is looking quite heavy here, and Delta now is looking very, very weak here. So I'm actually going to get stopped out of this trade here. Buyers trying to step in here. I usually don't move my stop, but I don't want it to stop me out and to just go right against me, right up in my favor. Delta is slightly maintaining here, so we may actually sweep the lows. So that is not good. Actually. About 4 minutes until this candle closes. ES is really looking heavy now. NAS is trying to make new lows here. Delta's maintaining. We're actually going to hop in the second one here. My first entry was at 20. So let's see if we can get back up here. So we get back up here. Delta maintained, which is nice. Delta's looking slightly strong again. Averages at 600. My first entry was not the best entry. $220 block at 65. I really hope that does not get run through. But we'll see. Oh man, that was a crazy block order. What the heck? So now, guys, we're kind of just waiting. Delta's maintaining. Yeah, so that 220 block was and is going to get run through. Delta's maintaining here, which is interesting. Little gap down. Oh man, yeah. So we're gonna actually keep moving down here. Just double check what my stops are here. I don't want to. Okay. So these are. So hopefully we. Some sellers trying to step in here, but. Oh, that's ES actually. I'm not looking at ES. I'm like, what the heck? Yeah, sellers definitely trying to step in here. We may actually sweep the lows here. So. It's definitely not fun. It's alright. We'll keep. Actually get stopped out of sadly. I hope we don't. Delta's trying to make guys are trying to step in on Delta here. ES is trying to get a little bit of a buy up. Yeah, we're actually probably going to get stopped out of one. $300 block at 47. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. That is absolutely insane. Wow. Could have gotten in one more, but that was scary. That was scary. That was so close to our first stop. Wow, buyers really stepping in now. Could have actually probably gotten in a third one there, but it's all right. I was already really pushing it here, so hopefully we get great buy up. Actually, great buy up. Fantastic buy up here. Fantastic buy up. And it rejected right off of our average price, of course, as it always does. Our first entry is at 20. So let's see, a lot of buyers stepped in again. Yeah, we could have gone in a third contract there. That would have been ideal, but
Order
we're
filled.
gonna exit out of one, just deleverage a little in case this goes completely against us. Buyers continue to look good here. Yeah, up out soon here. I'm out.
Order filled.
So that puts us up 8.15 on the day. That is actually a very good day for me. So let's wait and see what else we can find. So I'm actually happy with these exits. Could have held it the entire thing for a little longer. I mean, probably just have broken even on one, but would have broken even on one, but that's all right. I'm okay with that. It's a gorgeous buy up here. Gorgeous buy up. So bounced right off of the -1.5 standard deviation here. So that was a gorgeous buy up. And yeah, I did have to hold quite a bit. That was kind of a scary hold here, but that's kind of why I moved my stop down, because I knew we were going to approach the lows, possibly even sweep them. We swept the lows by a little bit, not by too much. I think by maybe a couple points, maybe like 1 or 2 points. So it was definitely interesting, but that was a good trade overall. Bought it a little high here, but yeah. So now if we can get back down to, I'll really only get in again if we come back down here to the 40s. That's really, really where I would look to get in again. Because what is that? 8:15 on the day for me. That's a good day for me. So I don't want to be too aggressive again. Again, if price goes down to the 40s, I would be very, very interested in buying again. But we'll see if that plays out. Actually, set a order here for me. So again, we're just waiting. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, and we're up 815. So again, there's no need, no reason for me to push anything to really be aggressive, be super aggressive in my entries, because my day's pretty much done. But let's see what else we can find today. I may actually. Guys, so actually I'm going to hop off for today, and thank you for watching. Again, drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a comment as well. I'm actually going to hop off because my day is pretty much done now, and I don't really feel like giving any profits back. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy.